Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Rosa with CisCom Solutions, and this is Tech Tips. This week, we'll be talking about organizing your team's panel with drag and drop. When you favorite a team, it places a separate category at the top of the left pane. You can also control where the rest of your teams fall on the general list. Just click and drag a team in the direction you want it to go. When the list turns gray, you can place it in the correct position, and there you go. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!